Preparing your favorite dish is soothingly meditative. But cleaning after it is daunting, uninspiring, and demands too much time. Introducing Faber's Ace Inox Dishwasher, a radical solution for a busy lifestyle. Ace Inox gives you freedom of time and washing hygiene of the highest level. With 6 washing programs and 8 placement capacities, you could practically never overload this washer. One should add detergent in the cavity by pushing the release catch to open the detergent dispenser. Adding dishwasher salt is important for better cleaning as it softens the water. Make use of the most convenient time band with its 24-hour time delay. After loading the washer, fire it up with its electronic power control. Set the program and you are done. Your utensils out of Ace Inox look pristine and naturally dried. And Inox does this in the most economical way possible. It consumes very less water to do the job and even less electricity. Approximately 50 to 60 liters of water gets wasted while washing utensils all day in the kitchen. Faber's dishwasher uses only 8 liters of water per wash and reduces the wastage of water by 80%. One also avoids the manual labor of scrubbing, rinsing and drying the dishes on your own. Not only that, it is also energy efficient. This dishwasher consumes 0.7 kilowatt-hour in its one-wash cycle, which not only saves electricity but is pocket-friendly in the long run. So, hurry up! Bring home the Ace Inox dishwasher for convenient living. Order now.